Welcome to cadcaemaster, improving everyone's skill set. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss an upload. Here, we'll see how to enable real-view graphics in SolidWorks. Yeah, so first thing, I'll load the model. Now, you could see there is no real-view graphics. If we go to views, in the display, there is no real-view graphics. To turn it on, we should go to registry, editor, and here. The first thing you should do is you need to go to 𝐂𝐀𝐄 From there, the software drop down, and then the SolidWorks. The SolidWorks version which you're using, you can use that drop down, and from there is a drop down for the performance. You can have it, and in the performance you have the graphics. In the graphics, go for the hardwares. In the hardware, first thing you should look out is the current graphics which you are using. You can simply copy that first. Okay, Control C, and you can go to the NVIDIA Corporation is also available. Yeah, and then we have the GL2 shaders. So this is for any of the Quadro series. So if you are using the NVIDIA Quadro series, you can go with the NV40. Okay, so you'll be having all the Quadro series activated here. So if it is not working, whatever the Quadro series you are using, you can do what I'm showing here. So Quadro P2000, Quadro P1000, and Quadro M series, K series, RTX series will support real-view graphics. If you have something else, what you can do is you can simply go to any of the Quadro series. Let's say I would like to take this RTX 5000. You can simply rename it with your NVIDIA graphics. You can do this, or else the best way is you can directly go on the top. So NV40, just add a new key and just paste it here. The name of your graphics card, just hit enter and right click, use enter new key. It is already there. Yeah, so here you can add this binary code D word. So mention work around. Yeah, so simply double click and mention the keywords these. If you are using any of the Quadro series NVIDIA Quadro, you can directly mention 30008. So this will work for all the NVIDIA Quadro series. Yeah. Now, for RTX 3080, if you are using or any of the RTX series, so that time you can use 000 32 408. This will work. So if you are using Quadro series, whatever you do here, that is more than sufficient. Now, if you are using GeForce series like GeForce RTX 3080 or 3000 series, you should go to NVIDIA Corporation. You should change GeForce workarounds to 04000000. Yeah. So if you could do this much, that is more than sufficient. You can simply close it here. Now, if you see, there is no real view graphics here. You can simply close your SolidWorks once and directly open it once again. Just open the model. Now you could able to see the real view graphics incorporated to your SolidWorks. Just to show you, I'll take it to the part, and this is clearly able to visualize the real view graphics. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook for behind the scenes content and updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.